Today we are doing a routine to help calm our bodies and reduce stress. Let's get started. Today we're doing a Pilates-based routine to help calm our bodies and reduce stress and anxiety. Movement is a great tool to help in those areas. And so this is going to be a gentle routine to help you feel a little more calm. So we're going to start seated, and you can sit cross-legged or you can sit on a stool or even in a chair if that feels best to you. And I want you to have your arms at your sides, and we're just going to start with a couple deep breaths. So I want you to inhale through your nose and then exhale through your mouth. We're just going to do about 3 here just to prepare our bodies. Because one thing that we're going to focus on that will help with that calming aspect is connecting our breath to our movement, okay? It gives our bodies kind of a rhythmic pattern to follow, which can help calm us down. So on your next inhale, you're going to inhale and reach the right arm up, and then exhale to reach it over as you side stretch. And then your next inhale will bring you back up. And then you exhale the arm down. And we're going to switch sides. So inhale the left arm up. Exhale to reach. Inhale, restack. Exhale down. And continue at your own pace here. So again, by following the breath, connecting a breath to the movement, it helps your body feel that something predictable is happening. And that's how our bodies start to feel safe. It likes to feel that it knows what's coming, that it can trust itself, that you can listen to it and know what your body is saying. Those kind of things help us feel safe. Repetition is another one. So we're going to repeat movements quite a bit here, because that again kind of helps regulate our nervous system, which is important to help us decrease stress and help us feel a little calmer. And if you really like the details and the information behind all of this, you can check out my podcast, Meet Your Body. I'll have the details below, and we have a specific episode all about stress and anxiety and how movement can help. So what you're doing right now is a really good thing for your body and for yourself so that you can feel encouraged and empowered. Okay, so we're going to stop here. Now we'll inhale both arms up, and then exhale, we're going to twist to the right. So take one hand behind you, one to your knee, and again, just follow your breath. Inhale up. Exhale the other way. An important thing to remember is if you get off on your breathing, that is okay. It really doesn't matter where the inhale is and where the exhale is. Do not let it increase your stress, okay? Just make sure that you are matching a breath to a movement. That's it. But I don't really care how you breathe. If it's all through your nose, that is okay. If it's opposite of what I am doing, that's okay. It's the pattern that matters, okay? It's simply that you have a rhythmic breath. That's what matters to your body right now. Nice job. Both arms are going to come back up, and then both arms are going to come back down. And then one more time, reach your arms up. And exhale, fold forward and just reach your arms forward, sink into your hips, and slowly restack. And let's bring our legs out in front. So have your legs about mat distance apart. This also can be done seated. So if you're at your desk at work right now, you can do this right here. Bring your hands behind your head. Okay, sit up nice and tall. And I want you to inhale. You're going to side bend to the right. Same movement we just did. And then lift back up. And then the other side. Because another piece to helping, actually anatomically, physiologically helping us feel calmer is something like massage. So massage can help us in that it releases endorphins, and it also helps regulate that sympathetic nervous system. kind of your fight or flight response. It helps to regulate that. So we are going to do something similar but with movement, okay? So we're not doing an actual massage, but you can think of it as massaging your own muscles in your back. Okay, so now I want you to go over to the right, then fold forward and round forward. So now you're looking kind of right in between your legs. Then keep going around to the left and restack. Switch directions. You're going to go to the left and then round forward and to the right and back up. So I'm just drawing kind of this nice big circle, really from my upper back. And we'll do one more. And then back up. Nice job. Bring the legs together. Bring your arms out in front. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone, roll yourself down, one vertebrae at a time. Nice job. And then sweep your arms around to your sides, bend your knees, feet are flat. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone, and we're gonna roll up into our bridge, articulating your spine as much as you can. Inhale at the top. And then exhale, curl, and roll back down. Feel like the exhale is your signal to move. Your inhale makes you pause for a moment. Exhale back down. So research shows us that movement is imperative to help us get out of the stress cycle. So to help us relieve the stress and release it from our bodies, to help us not feel that actual bodily feeling of stress, we need to help our bodies complete the stress cycle. And one way to do that is through movement. And there's no rule as to what that movement can be. It can be an exercise class, it can be a walk, it can be a cleaning of your house, raking leaves, a dance party in your living room. There's lots of ways to get that movement, but physical movement is really, really important when it comes to helping us feel calm and relieve stress from our bodies. Okay, on this next one, roll up, stay there. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, roll down. So inhale, arms to your sides. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, roll down. So we're doing the breath patterning. We're following repetition, which makes your body feel safe. Again, it knows what's coming. And we're just simply moving. On this one, just the arms. They're going to reach back and come back down. Last two. And one. Inhale, pause, and exhale, roll down. And reach your left leg out straight and hug your right knee in. Give it a really good squeeze. Keep your left hand on the knee, bring it over to the left, and your right arm goes to the right, and you look to the right. And slowly come back in. One more good squeeze. And switch legs. So giving that joint a really big squeeze helps compress it, and again helps with fluid. It helps for the health of our joints, which in turn can definitely help calm our bodies down. Bring the leg over to the right and your left arm to the left. And then back to center. Hug that knee in one more time. And then hug both knees in and just let yourself rock side to side. And bring the bottoms of the feet together. And then your knees apart. Hands come to your low belly. Give yourself one more deep breath in. And exhale. And stay here as long as you need. And I will see you on your mat soon.